Now let's try to use the tester. Connect the USB port to the computer USB and then turn on the computer. The software is test system. Need to find out the port. Device manager. And then COM3, okay, remember this. Username and the password are both 1. Here is the choose the port 3 because just now we found the hardware COM3 and then test. Okay, connected. And then the first one is wave motion. Okay. And then wave motion data. Record the data. And then 25% load. You need to put the load on the generator using the manual intelligent and record the data. Use the procedure that we show you just now. Same. From 0 to 25 and then 50% and then 75%. 100% and 110% overload, and also need to do the sudden load off and on to see the harmony curve.
假设在做这个
sudden increase.
假设是在50%的时候做，我们可以在这里。
Need to do it together. Together. To do the sudden on and sudden off. Right?